Frida Kahlo was born on July 6, 1907 in Mexico City. When she was sick, she got polio, which caused her to be plagued for 9 months. When she was recovering, she limped when she walked because the disease had damaged her right leg and foot. In 1922, she enrolled at National Preparatory School. She was one of the few female students, and she eventually became known for her spirit and love of colorful, traditional clothes and jewelry. She joined the Communist League and Mexican Communist Party. On September 17, 1925, she and Alejandro Gomez, a school friend when she was dating, were traveling together on a bus when the vehicle collided with a streetcar. As a result of the collision, she was impaled by a steel handrail, which went into her hip and came out the other side. She suffered several serious injuries as a result, including fractures in her spine and pelvis. She began painting during her recovery and finished her first self-portrait the following year, which she gave to Gomez. In 1929, Kahlo and famed Mexican muralist Diego Rivera married. Kahlo and Rivera first met in 1922 when he went to go work on a project at her high school. She often watched him create a mural called The Creation in the school's lecture hall. He encouraged her artwork and the two began in a relationship. During their early years together, after reuniting, she followed Rivera based on where the commissions that he received were. She was saddened by his many infidelities, including an affair with her sister Christina. In response to this betrayal, she cut off most of her trademark long dark hair. She desperately wanted a child, and she again experienced heartbreak when she miscarried in 1934. Kahlo and Rivera went through periods of separations, but they joined together to help exiled Soviet communist Leon Trotsky and his wife Natalia in 1937. Kahlo divorced Rivera again in 1939. They did not stay divorced for long, remarrying in 1940. While she never considered herself a surrealist, Kahlo befriended one of the primary figures in that artistic and literary movement, André Breton, in 1938. She went on to live in Paris for a time. There she exhibited some of her paintings and developed friendships with Marcel Duchamp and Pablo Picasso and others. She received a commission from the Mexican government for 5 portraits of an important Mexican woman in 1941, but she was unable to finish this project. She had lost her beloved father that year and continued to suffer from chronic health problems. Despite her personal challenges, her work continued to grow in popularity, and she was included in numerous group shows around this time. About a week after her 47th birthday, she died on July 13, 1954, at her beloved Blue House. There has been some speculation regarding the nature of her death. It was reported to be caused from a pulmonary embolism, but there has also been stories about a possible suicide. Here are some pictures of her works. Obviously, some of these are just fan art and recreations of some of her works, but overall, these are the general themes recreated in her paintings.